What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper here on your iPhone device. I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper, which is this one that's going to show up in here, and then I'm going to show you also how to change your home screen wallpaper. You may be in a situation where you want to have custom wallpapers, one to lock your phone and one to, for example, be the one behind your home screen. So I'm going to show you all the possible ways on how you can do this. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps me out. Thanks guys. So the very first way in here is to basically position your Face ID, unlock your phone first. Okay, let me do it one more time. I'm going to tap it once and you'll be able to see this small lock icon in here. So as soon as you bring your face, it's going to unlock real quick. See, it's unlocked. I'm going to do it one more time. There we go. It's unlocked because I did position my face. Once you're done positioning your face, what you want to do is press and hold in here. Okay, let me do it one more time. There we go, unlocked. Press and hold, and then you'll be brought to this screen in here where you can customize the lock screen. For example, let's say that I don't position my Face ID and I simply unlock it and press and hold. It's going to ask me to unlock to edit. So I need to bring my Face ID and then I'll be able to edit the lock screen wallpaper. So over here, you do have all these wallpapers that you've actually selected previously. And then you can manually select one of these to use on your lock screen. Alternatively, you can tap on plus in here to add a new wallpaper. For example, let's say that you wish to create a new one. It's going to show you your recent pictures that you've actually took. You can select those pictures. For example, I can go with this one, I can go with this one, I can select this one and I'm good to go. I can tap on add, okay? And then you have an option in here to select whether you want to use it as a wallpaper pair, which will be the wallpaper for your lock screen as well as your home screen. Or you can tap on customize home screen if you wish to have a different wallpaper here on your lock screen. For example, I'll be going with color in here, yellow color for my home screen, tap on OK, and there we go. Now I do have my wallpaper, and as soon as I unlock it, gets into white color because I did select a different one to my home screen. Now, once you have created the wallpaper profile in here, you can still customize it by pressing and holding and tapping on customize. If you wish to customize an existing wallpaper that you've already created, I'm talking about a wallpaper profile. So you can now add widgets in here, a lot of stuff. For example, if you wish to add time zone, battery level, chat GPT, weather and stuff like that, okay, you can add it here and then you can drag and drop in order to increase the size, for example, of your time and stuff like that. Now, these are just a few more workarounds to customize it much better if you wish to. The other way on how you can change your wallpaper as well as your home screen wallpaper is to hop into settings, scroll down all the way to wallpaper down here within the second stack of settings. Hop into wallpaper and then you do have in here an option to add a new wallpaper right here, and you can create pretty much a new wallpaper profile, or you can select from one of those existing profiles in here that we do have. As you can see, we do have a lot of wallpaper profiles in here. Select one, customize it accordingly. If you wish to customize the home screen, go with customize here. If you wish to customize the lock screen, go with customize in here. Customize it according to your preference and then simply set it up as a new wallpaper and you're now good to go. Let's say you are, for example, in a specific environment, in a business meeting where you do not wish to give your phone to somebody and see a specific holiday background, or you are in a work environment, quickly press and hold, change it to something that you wish to use in that specific moment, and this will also increase your focus and productivity according to your environment. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.